Airline system. In airline system, computers are often to control passenger aircrafts, vehicles. Early aircraft were controlled by moving parts attached to a control using cables. In modern fly-by-wire system, electronic signals from the, the cockpit are sent to that adjust the flight surfaces. Computer is embedded in the pilot's or driver's controls. It is linked up among different cities and gives full information about its flight and seats reservation. Computer Excel topography. CAT still uses X-rays to see inside the body, but instead of using a single beam of a CAT, scanner takes many X-rays around the body. The scanner's computers then builds up pictures of a slice through the body and combines them to give a 3D image. Scientists used CAT to carry out the first detailed study of the brain before even more powerful techniques were developed. Education. Computers are used in many colleges to provide the methods of teaching in different ways. The computer education is very familiar and rapidly increasing the graph of computer students. There are number of methods in which educational institutions can use computer to educate the students. Many computer based educational programs software are available which students can learn to ready to count or to speak a foreign language. Software that combines the thrills of games with real information content is becoming more popular. Some organizations are using information technology in their employee training programs. Computer aided learning could be described as the uses of information technology to assist in the teaching and enhance learning process. Information technology may be able to aid us in reducing the time spent on creation and maintenance of teaching materials. One document for lecture materials, reference notes, study aids. It is also reducing the administrative load associated with teaching and research. Computer based training, CBT. CBT or computer based training, a difficult term to adequately define because it encompasses various modes of instructions and has evolved from the simplest definition, an interactive learning experience between the learner and computer in which the computer provides the majority of the stimulus. The learner must respond and the computer analyzes the response and provides feedback to the learner. Computer based trainings is about using computers to help train people. It is not necessarily about training people to use computers. Computer based trainings works compared with traditional techniques. It can bring many additional benefits to any organization, their training department and their students. For example, students can readily acquire new skills at their own pace and at times that do not conflict with their work schedules. Training times can usually be reduced. Retention of course material is usually generated greater. Interactive, visually stimulating, easily absorbed and easily available material encourage students to undertake training. Planning and timetabling problems can be reduced or eliminated. essential skills can be taught and refreshed whenever and wherever needed. The quality and consistency of the training material is maintained throughout. It is a highly cost effective way to train large number of students locally or at remote places. Timely and high quality training on demand leads to increased efficiency compared to traditional classroom training methods. Students using computer based training absorb similar material faster and retain more of the information they are taught.